Chiita Urove Pasi. Yeah, I no longer feel prison, so I guess Chiita bye.
Koboy here kuti undidzinga kudani.
Anti ndinda kuchita.
So, anti ndo yapa napa ndega.
Anda kuza time dzekuya. So now ndakuchukudza ka time dzekuba.
You got what you wanted, ka? You guys are all the same.
Honestly, I don't even know myself. As soon as we finish here, it's a different ball game. Not good you're bad in it, but I don't know, maybe it's just our nature as men.
Yes. Ukandiona nchidzoka panapa futi ndifunze.
Aiwa, ndokona kukuda futi mangwana.
What do you take me for? Eh? You've always been like this.
Like what?
Unongontinyengerera kanoona zvaunoda then wandisiya futi.
Sha, ndatomboziva nzvozvo zvandomboziplaninga. It just happens.
Unoziva chinonyondirwadza. I didn't expect love from you. Just honesty.
Honesty is not even romantic. Plus, we just wanted the fantasy.
No. I wanted the truth, even if it's ugly. Next time when you feel lonely, call someone else.